Okay, part 2 of our science project, science magic project. We just added the red cabbage powder, and as Adrian noted, what did you tell me about this? About the red cabbage powder? It's actually blue. It looks kind of purpley reddish when you hold it up to the light. But if you look at the droplets inside the test tube, they definitely look very blue.
On the side.
But look at it. Look at that right up to the light. You see?
It's purple right there.
Yeah, and look through here. You can see it looks
More purple.
kind of red, just a little bit. So that's kind of neat. Kind of like the color of a red cabbage. Okay, so what comes next? We are going on to step 4. Slowly pour vegetable oil into the test tube until it is almost full. That's it. No measurement.
Until
you want to pour it in there slow until it's almost full.
Until the whole test tube's almost full?
Mm-hmm. Yep. So you're probably going to use about the whole thing. It's all right. We've got vegetable oil for more projects later on. It's easy to come by. People use it for cooking all the time. Let me know if you need help. So I got some pretty decent nails. And sometimes, you know what I do? Some of those can be difficult to open, so sometimes I just poke a knife through the top. But you'll want to set this down on the table so you don't spill. And just gently kind of try to stab it through. There. Oh, no, that's not. It looked like it on the camera. Here.
Oh, no.
Let me see. I'll get it for you.
No, the blue.
That's not going to work.
The blue stuff is on it.
Alright. There you go. Alright. Now he's got that open. He's going to slowly, it says, until it's almost full.
Oh no, it's spilling.
There's one more ingredient that we add before it becomes magical color changing lava. I do it a little bit more, just a teeny tiny bit. Okay, now you want to put it back in there. Now we need to get that cap on the other end of your wand.
Why?
Because you're going to use the magic wand in just a moment. Okay, so we're completing our wizard's wand. Aren't you supposed to name your wand when you become a wizard?
I don't know.
I think so. Harry Potter named his wand.
What is it?
I don't remember what he named it. I was too busy watching Lord of the Rings to notice what the names were. Mm-hmm.
I can hold the camera.
All right, keep it on that to see if anything happens. I'm going to document what's going on with our project.
What is gonna happen? That's the question.
We will soon find out. And if you want to poke that camera over towards that way, we've got to find the citric acid. We're going to say the magic words, and then we're going to add the citric acid. And that's when the magic will happen.
There's the citric acid.
Oh, this is really hard.
Citric acid at the top.
We have vegetable oil on here. Okay, so read the instructions for what the next step is, I suppose, while I'm getting this on.
For step what? 5?
So whichever one we didn't just do.
Set the test tube in its stand and let the magic begin. Slowly pour it's almost full. Set the test tube in its stand and let the magic begin.
So we're on number 6. But first, I think you should measure out your medium scoop of citric acid, which is step number 7. I'll take back on the camera. We've got your wand.
Add 1.
What are we going to name your wand then? Make it an excellent name. King Arthur had a fabulous sword named Excalibur. That's quite a name. I wonder if you could come up with something so noble for your wand.
Abracadabra.
Abracadabra? How about Alakazam? Okay. So this one, be careful not to spill. This is the caustic stuff Daddy was talking about.
What is it?
Citric acid. Oh man.
Oh no. It's acid. It's gonna kill us.
Just like from the aliens' mouths. All their saliva, it's made of acid and it burns holes and stuff. Only not really. This is citric acid. It comes from fruit. What's it look like?
It looks like a little...
Like crystals.
Yeah.
I wonder if it has an odor. If you want to smell things, you put your hand up and wave it at your nose. That's what you do in a chemistry lab.
It smells...
Does it smell kind of sweet?
Oh, it smells, I don't know what it smells like.
Okay, so get it nice and
Oh, no,
level.
it's on the table.
Okay, you gotta use your wand. Okay, quick, quick. Say Alakazam.
Alakazam.
Whoa.
Alakazam.
Whoa, look at that. Is it gonna start shooting out the top? I think we want to leave that off. In case it does.
Alakazam.
That is pretty neat. So,
Lava.
this is our magic science project. Color changing lava.
It's not colored. It's not changing colors.
Well, it stopped looking so blue, and it stopped looking so red, and it became more of a purple. And I really like the way those bubbles look in it. Let me get a close-up of the bubbles.
Alakazam. Alakazam.
Wow, that's fizzing like crazy. So that's what happens when you put baking soda, vegetable oil, citric acid, and some coloring together. That is really neat.
I see blue bubbles. There's some blue bubbles.
Yeah. I see different colored. Yeah, I see pinkish,
I see pink,
purpley,
blue.
white.
I see like an orange.
There's
one.
a really nice blue one floating around. You saw an orange?
Yeah.
Oh man, I want to see that. That is really neat.
I see an orange again.
And it's still red at the bottom.
Oh, purpley or something. It stopped.
It's done? Still coming up a little bit. That is so neat looking. I wonder if it stays like that. And if we can put it in your wand. Okay.
Are you
I
supposed
think
to
it
put it in the
does
wand?
because of the oil. Right here, wizard science. The oil floats on top of the water because it is less dense than water, just like in the previous activity, yada yada, which we didn't do yet. When you added the citric acid powder, it sank to the bottom because it is more dense than both oil and water. The baking soda joined the citric acid in the bottom of the test tube and caused a bubbling chemical reaction. Since the citric acid was red and the baking soda was blue from the red cabbage juice powder, they mixed at the bottom to create a color-changing bubbling potion. It doesn't say if it's going to stay like that forever. I guess we'll find out. Shake it up. Ooh, shake it up. Did it do anything when you shook it? Make it more bubbly or did it make it stop?
I made it stop.
Not even gave it lots of teeny tiny bubbles? Oh, weird. That's pretty neat looking though.
Is that our only project?
What time have we got?
I don't know.
7:35. Do you want to do another one or do you want to save them for later? Because there's not a
Maybe just-
bazillion.
Maybe just one more.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. I'll put this on pause. Bam.